Hello kids. In this chapter 12, construction, we will be discussing about the geometrical tools and its uses. And the contents that we will be covering in this chapter number 12, constructions, are geometrical tools and their uses, construction of line segment, construction of circles, bisector and perpendicular, construction of angles. Geometrical tools. The main tool in a geometrical set is a ruler. It is used to measure and draw line segments. Compass. It is the most important tool in a geometrical kit. A pair, a pointed on one end and a pencil on the other. It is used to mark off equal lengths but not to measure them, and to draw circles and circular arcs. Another important tool is the protractor. It is semicircle in shape with a baseline and center point. It is divided into 180 equal parts, with each part representing 1 degree. The measure starts from 0 degree to 180 degree clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is used to measure and draw angles. Divider, another tools just like a compass. It is used to measure, compare and length. It is not used to draw any shape. It is just used to measure the length. Another, we have the set square. It is also in a pair. It comes in two triangular pieces, one having 30, 60 and 90 degree angles, and the other set square is having 45, 45 and 90 degree at the vertices. They are used to draw parallel and perpendicular lines. Line segment. A line does not have a definite length, as it can be extended indefinitely in both directions. A line segment has a fixed length, as it is a smaller part of a line. As a line segment is a part of a line, when we draw a line and we extract a part, is known as a line segment. Here the line is L, which we can see the two arrows. It's a line. Line L, it is denoted, the line is denoted by the letter L. So L is a line and AB is the line segment here. A ruler is basically used to draw a line segment. There are markings from 0 to 15 centimeter on a ruler. Construction of a line segment of 6 centimeter. We can draw a line segment of any length using a ruler. We have to follow the steps. Steps 1. Mark a point A on the paper. Place the ruler horizontally below point A in such a way that the 0 marks of the ruler is just below A. Count 6 cm from 0 and mark that point as B. Join the point A and B using a sharp pencil. Thus we have a length AB of 6 cm. In this way we can draw any line using a ruler. How to draw a line segment using a ruler and a compass? Similarly, we have to draw a line L and we have to mark point A on it. Here we are drawing a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. Place the ruler on a page, take the compass and keep its pointer on the 0 mark of the ruler and open in such a way that the tip of the pencil is at 4.5 centimeter mark. If, for example, we have to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter, then the pointer of the compass will be placed at 0 and the other pencil will be placed at 5. Here it is a 4.5 centimeter. The pencil stopped at 4.5. If we have to take, for example, for 5 centimeter, the pencil will stop from 0 to 5. Now keep the same radius. Don't disturb the radius of the compass. Keep the pointer of the compass at A. Draw an arc to intersect the line L at B. Thus, AB is the required line segment of 4.5 centimeter. So, in this way, we can draw a line segment using a ruler and a compass. Further, we will be discussing how to draw basic angles like 45, 60, 90 and 120 degree using a ruler and a compass. Further, we will be learning how to draw circles, bisector and perpendicular.